यार. Hi GQ, this is Rishabh Pant and these are my essentials. I think this is one of the essential for traveling, especially because as a kid we used to play all the video games. We used to have that small guns and all those things. I think this is a better version for sure. One of the best graphics, and just if there is nothing to do, you can play any video game. I think mostly it's with teammates because I don't like to spend my time alone. So generally it's one of the friends, and there are always someone in the team who plays FIFA. So you definitely find someone. This is one of my essential, I would say, because my mother gave it to me as a kid, and I saw this in Salman Bhai's hand. So since then, I've been wearing this. It's been a long time, I guess. So this is one of my essential. यार ये पहना दे यार. जैकेट ठीक करा मैंने भाई ये. Next essential is this because I always have this soda craving, so this is something which keeps me sane all the time. But I think this is another essential now. This is the latest edition, I would say, because I've recently liked all these bucket hats and all, so I've been using them a lot, so I carry one with me all the time. AirPods है, earphones है, क्या बोलेंगे इसको? I think next item is earphones. I think this is must. Just before the game, I think it just set the mood in a proper way. Like generally I don't keep favorites, man. It's so difficult to choose one because there are so many of them. But generic, whatever the mood feels like, I try to listen that kind of songs. Top of my playlist would be, there's a song called Afsane. Afsane mein likhta nahi hu. So that song is one of my favorite, right? Open to kar le bhai isko. I think this is also one of them. Chewing gum, I think during a game is very important. कि बोर हो जाते हैं, there is nothing much you can do. Chewing gum खाते रहो, at least there is some taste to it. और मुंह का फ्लेवर भी अच्छा रहता है यार. Just anything. I think this is one of another items which is essential for me because you play in the sun all the time, so you need something to protect yourself. Before I never used to use all this, but I'm just learning all these things, so why not? Sunscreen. I think my next essential is this perfume. I think I like having good smell, so I keep on spraying this all the time. That's the only story. Actually में बड़ा अच्छा है यार ये. I think recent edition एक और है. I think because while traveling, generally I used to eat lots of junk food. But since I've started doing more into diet and all, I've started carrying nuts and all. So it keeps me sane all the time. I think another item on the list is my shades. I think I just love them, man. I just try to collect as many as possible. Generally, I carry even 10-15 of them at one time. I just love wearing shades, man. I don't have a favorite pair because when you have so many babies, you can't have a favorite pair. So, I just try to collect them as much as possible all the time. I think the next essential would be my cabin bag, I would say, because generally whenever we are traveling, I don't like backpacks because थोड़ा कंधे पे ना भारी लगता है. So I try a trolley bag, or it's easier to carry all the way in the flight. So I love it. I think my last essential would be my wallet. because this is something I keep with me all the time, because I feel if you have your wallet with you, you can go anywhere, travel anywhere, and do whatever you want. So this is a must for me. I think there is nothing sentimental. It's just all my cards in air. So very close to my heart. Huh? Bye GQ. Hope you guys enjoyed the video by watching all this.